Look at that. That's intense, buddy. Whew. Got some tiki torches.
Spray up there.
That thing. That thing, man. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Center on that.
In a second, that's going to collapse. And that's a drop.
And then it's going to be scarier for me because I'm afraid it'll come out on the
Oh, man. Spraying it off.
It's dying down already.
Look at that. Man. Dude, Amazing Taco. Amazing Taco brothers and sisters. I hope you like this video. This video is going to get intense.
It's already.
Oh, it's getting down now. Down to the wire.
Taking a picture, aren't you?
Not good. Everyone look for a beer.
Fail. Here, let me try.
You can play. Oh, it crashed. Oh, it's be crashing.
Oh, okay.
So you guys can see it. Oh, this is sweet. Oh, that fire. Man, make fire.
It almost throws some.
Spray the fucking
This, whoop.
I'm sorry.
I downloaded what?
What's podcasted tab?
What? Let me see.
Let's spray that fire. I'm losing my mind over
What's
here.
podcast dicks?
I don't know. Don't talk on it. Hope you guys like this video.
Guys, but I'm a nervous wreck.
Yeah, we noticed.
Yeah, it's been super crazy.
That was my brother.
It's about done now.
Yeah, it definitely is
He
done.
says that I'm an
Okay.
idiot. I'm not.
Connor. Dude, be quiet. Don't worry about him. Oh.
That wasn't the smartest idea. I think they wanted it to collapse.
Is he about to throw some wood in there? Let's see, let's focus.
Don't throw no more wood on it. Hey,
Oh!
Well, we're just knocking it down so it's lower to the ground.
let's let that die down before we put any more wood on
I would spray a little bit more though. That's back up by the tree.
Oh, dang.
It's good, Bill.
Look at that. It's almost getting the tree up there. Don't worry about the background voices. I hope you guys only hear me. Probably don't, but it's intense, buddy. Hope you guys like this commentary. And peace. Woo!